Hey Team V, welcome back to Phonics. Today we are going to talk about a little bit of a complicated sound. That's the sound Man, I bet you've heard that sound before, but you must wonder how to write that sound. Well, you have good reason to wonder, my friends, and that's because that sound is made so many different ways. So let's check out all the different ways to make the sound today. Come on, let's go. Holy, can you see this, my friends? There are so many different ways to spell the sound. Let's take a close-up look at the different ways. Here we have a very common way to spell the sound in the word herbs. Herbs. In this word, the sound is made with an ER. Over here we have the word bird. Bird. In this word, bird, the sound is made with an IR. Let's move over here. This is the word turkey. In this word, turkey, the sound is made with the letters UR. Turkey. Moving over here, we have the word word. And in this word, the sound is made with the letters OR. Word. And even over here, this looks like it would say ear, because that's the word ear in the middle. But it's not pronounced that way. Inside this shell is a pearl. Pearl. Spelt with an EAR. Whoa, friends, that is so many different ways to make the sound. Let's look at some common words to figure this out. Here we have a baker. Baker. And this is a worm. Close up. Have you ever picked up a worm before? I have. I have lots of worms in my garden. Over here we have another thing in my garden, a flower. This is a red skirt. Skirt. And over here we have another plant. It's a fern. Fern. This over here is a very tall girl. 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 And beside her is a picture of our world. World. Down here we have a helicopter. Another word for dirt is earth. Here's a shirt and a surfboard. Another UR, like in surfboard, is nurse. And over here, a purse. Another UR. Don't forget a birthday cake. Yum. Now, let's take a look at some of the words in the written passage we see. Be seen and not heard. First come, first served. The early bird catches the worm. Curly, squirmy, squirmy, squirm. Lots of worm stuff in this, isn't there? So my friends, the sound, often when it's at the end of the word, like in baker or helicopter, it is made by the ER. But as you can see, is not always ER. It can be made with the ER, the IR, the UR, the OR, and in some cases, an ear. Youch! If you're ever confused about how to make the sound, you can always ask an adult. You can also look in a book. That's a good way to find out, is it an ER? Is it an IR? Is it a UR? Is it an OR? Is it an EAR? And you can also look up the word on the internet. Thank you so much for learning with us on My First Phonics. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love you guys.